welcome to the Golden Gate Bridge. Holy crap.
Gateway to the Pacific, crossing the bridge into Marin County.
We were originally going to walk along the bridge. However,
Like everyone else. As you can see, there are walking paths on each side of the bridge. One going from Marin into San Francisco, and one going from San Francisco into Marin.
like I said, however, the big thing about it is we sadly discovered, with as much walking as we've been doing, that our bodies probably couldn't take it. And plus...
Well, mine could. I'm much healthier than he is.
And plus, let's be honest, this is all friggin' cool.
It is. It's pretty cool. Oh, look out there. You can see, I know it's going by a bit fast, but you can see Alcatraz Island off in the distance there. With a speedboat, or ferry rather. And then you can see, maybe if you focus hard enough, you can see the Oakland Bay Bridge off in the background behind Alcatraz. We'll be entering into the Marin Headlands.
Which, supposedly, if you want to...
USS Hornet. Sea, Air, and Space Museum may be closed.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so now we have arrived in Marin County.
Which is much more scenic. Well, in a way, by contrast.
But it doesn't... you want to go to the viewpoint?
Yeah, sure, let's go to the Vista Point.
Alright.